whiz. I wish I wasn't so tired all the time. I also wish I knew why I'm so tired all the time and how the brain makes somebody tired. But there won't be somebody conveniently placed around the corner to explain that to me.
Well, that's where you're wrong, kiddo.
Legendary pole vaulter wrestler and future heart surgeon Mark Salib. How did you get here?
You know me, you never know where I'm gonna pop out.
Wow, but can you explain to me why I'm so tired all the time?
All that and more.
But I don't want more.
Well, it all starts with a little molecule called adenosine. What is adenosine, you may ask?
I didn't ask.
Well, it's a nucleoside, meaning it is an organic compound consisting of purine or pyrimidine connected to a sugar. In this case, it is purine adenine attached to a ribose sugar.
Well, that's cool and all, but can we get to why I'm so tired?
No, we cannot.
Oh.
Instead, let me tell you all the super cool things adenosine can do. It is the A in ATP, the key molecule in energy transfer in living organisms. But we'll get to that later. In the brain, it is the inhibitory neurotransmitter, meaning it causes an opening of ligand-gated potassium ion channels, making brain cells less likely to create action potentials. But when it's not in the brain, it can signal for blood vessels to dilate or constrict in other organ systems, mainly the circulatory system.
Golly, that's radical and all, but can we please get to why I'm so tired?
I wish we could, but I got lives to save.
Oh, please. No, I'll never figure out why I'm so tired. No one will conveniently pop out of nowhere to help me like Luke Sandrovich.
Oh, hey! I didn't even see you there.
The legendary director, creator, and writer of this film, Luke Sandrovich. How did you get here?
Well, that's an easy answer. I live here.
Oh, well, can you help me figure out why I'm so tired all the time?
Well, I sure can. But before I do that, let me talk to you about ATP. It's a molecule that stores and carries energy throughout cells in the body. An organism can signal for it to lose its phosphate group, resulting in a release of energy, which is used to build proteins or use muscles in the body. And that's why adenosine is so important to countless living organisms. It's a building block that creates energy as we know it. It's found in almost all living organisms, and we gain it when we eat food. Lack of food means lack of energy.
Oh, well, mister, that's not what I asked at all.
Oh, look at the time. I got
No.
a business meeting
No,
to go
no,
to.
wait,
I'm
wait.
sorry, I gotta go back.
No,
to
wait.
things.
Oh, darn. I guess I'll never find out why I'm so tired.
I can help with that.
Legendary track runner and cross-country runner, Super Junior's Dr. Ben Kerr. Can you help me?
In fact, I can. You see, when adenosine is released into the brain, it slows down the activity of neurons by binding to receptors in the brain that release proteins to inhibit neuron activity. Adenosine can also bind to receptors that cause the endocrine system to secrete melatonin, a hormone that prepares the body for sleep. Adenosine builds up when we are awake and binds to receptors when it's time to sleep. When a person is sleeping, adenosine is broken down and the cycle begins again.
Finally, someone helped me find out why I'm so tired. Now can you help me fix that?
Who do you think I am? I have important doctor stuff to do.
Oh, darn. I guess I'll just be tired forever.
Not so fast, buddy boy.
Guest star Gabe Cohn, who is in no way related to this bio class, and none of you probably even know him, but he was the only other person available while filming this. What are you up to?
I got something to fix all your problems, and it's called caffeine.
Wowie, mister. How does it work?
Since it has a similar structure to adenosine, with 2 rings of sugar, it can bind to the receptors that adenosine would normally bind to. But the caffeine does not activate these receptors, but it blocks the adenosine from getting in. In turn, the concentration of receptors is reduced. This lowers the rate of a reaction, and less bound adenosine equals less tiredness. The adenosine will build up, however, but won't cause any tiredness.
Wait a second. I heard cocaine does a similar thing. It attaches to neural receptors and causes dopamine to build up in the synaptic cleft of a neuron, causing a feeling of euphoria, and blocks adenosine receptors like caffeine.
Oh, well, this is nothing like that. I can give you my word.
I trust you, stranger. Cohen, it was nice being super awake and all, but now I feel more tired than ever.
Oh, did I forget to mention that when caffeine is broken down, adenosine rushes into the receptors, creating a sudden and debilitating tiredness, which is what you're feeling now.
Oh, yeah, you forgot to mention that.
Well, it's nothing that a little more caffeine can't fix.
Oh, I guess we all learned something today.